Hello everyone and welcome to today's cabin tour of cabin 7442 here on board the beautiful Carnival Glory. Let's go ahead and head inside the room. Dropped my key, whoopsies. Alright, so we head on in. Again, this is a extended aft balcony cabin, but we'll get to that later on. Here we have our emergency muster information just in case, along with some closet space. Very, very nice. Some here as well with our life jackets up at the top. And even more as well. I don't see our safe anywhere, which is kind of, oh, our safe is right here. And this little small thing right below our small TV that's like the size of a Nintendo Switch. But anyways, let's head into the bathroom real quick. The most important part of the room, of course. Small little shower. We got this little shower curtain. Shower head that's detachable. Shampoo. Shower gel, if that's what you actually use. We've got the throne with the iconic "Don't Drop My Card." Nice. Sink. Good water pressure. Nice. Couple shelves. Very cool. Got yourselves an outlet. That's definitely not something that would work in the US. But I think that's an outlet. Anyways, nice little desk. A mirror. We have the light here that you can flip on. Come on. There we go. Very nice. Again, the TV. We got ourselves a little mini fridge as well. If it will open. I don't know which side it opens from, but other side. Okay, that's why it wasn't opening. Very cool. Two twin-size beds with actually a lot of space right here. There's no couch in this room, I just noticed. But we got a bed right there. You can, of course, get the king-size bed or split it into two separate twin beds like we are on this one. I don't want to snuggle up that close to Justin this weekend. But very, very nice. You got Shaq on TV. Nice. And then, of course, I'm going to start making our way out here. We've got ourselves some lamps with some chargers here. Actually, very cool. The ship was recently in dry dock. They have USB-C and USB, along with regular outlets. And then, of course, turn those on. Very nice. Good job, Carnival. Very nice. That's a master switch for the whole cabin. Nice. Carnival, great job on that. Not a lot of ships do that these days. A lot of the brand new ships have it, but not very many old ships. So very good on you, Carnival. Another little nightstand with some stuff down there. It looks like there's a little power bank for the thing down there. But nonetheless, very, very cool. And here we have the extended aft balcony. It doesn't seem much. It seems maybe a little bit wider than a normal one. Pookie's not included.
Pookie is definitely included. I will show up on any cruise if you want me involved. I have no problem with it.
The funny thing is, my TikTok room tour, I said the exact same thing, and he had the exact same response. But nonetheless, it seems pretty wide though. So it may be a little bit extended, but it looks like it's more extended in the aspect of like forward to back. Like my back is against the wall right now, or against the door.
Yeah, it's
pretty good view.
I don't know if it's as wide, but it's definitely a little bit deeper, which is nice.
Yeah, very cool. But we have an entire lounge chair out here, which is really cool. A chair, two chairs actually, and then a table, and then of course the beautiful view out the back of the ship. Very, very cool. So pretty much, yeah, we were looking over the back of the ship. There's the Lido deck up there. Lots of really cool stuff. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of cabin 7442 here on board the beautiful Carnival Glory, the extended aft balcony that we have here on board for the next 3 days. I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video that will be an entire ship tour of this amazing, amazing Conquest class ship. See you next time.